biggest challenge that some of our clients are facing in 2022 is how to make the sell and buy scenario work so you can actually get the home you want without being homeless. In a low inventory and rising interest rate environment, it starts to feel like the opportunity to land your next home is becoming less and less a reality every time you open up your email looking at new listings. Not only that, then you have this running through your mind. Holy cannoli, I refinanced this house 2 years ago at 2.75% and there's no way I'll get that interest rate again. I just can't give it up. Our team has designed our consultation to align with your goals and offer great options of how to purchase your next home. In this video, I'm going to share 2 recent conversations with different end results that is giving these clients a clear and focused goal, as well as 3 additional suggestions that just might be right for you to secure that next home. Story number 1. I've been working with the family for over a year as they continued to watch prices appreciate quickly in the neighborhoods they really wanted to be in. With inventory tight, there would be properties with multiple offers that would be bid well above list price. This bid war started to make these clients uncomfortable and just recently has decided to explore opportunities again. In one of our recent conversations, one of the challenges was that they refinanced their current home just over a year ago and just seems too hard to let go of that interest rate to buy a new home with a rate almost double what their current one is. I went on to say, who says that you have to give up this rate? You see, some of our clients already own a home, refinanced in the last couple of years, as you probably should have, and now are in a great equity position. So here's my question and solution. Have you thought about turning your current home into an income-producing investment property? You may be in a position to buy your next home without selling your current one and offset the new mortgage with a portion of the rental amount that you receive from your new investment property. But Tim, I don't want to be a landlord, it's just too much work, and I don't want the calls in the middle of the night about a leaky faucet. I get it. You should consider property management. The right management company will service the home and the tenant to give them an exceptional experience so that the tenant is happy and may extend their lease longer. Story number 2. I hopped on a call with the homeowner that just wants to get into a neighborhood that has less yard to maintain and has more amenities for their family to enjoy. The conversation quickly went to interest rates. Tim, I refinanced in the low 2s a couple years ago and I just don't like the fact that I'm going to have to double my rate to purchase the next home. I get it. Interest rates have gone up, and after looking at historical data on interest rates, check out my other video about this, I don't see them going down below 4% anytime soon. But here's my question. If you can't see yourself in your current home for the next 5 to 10 years because it doesn't meet your needs, maybe it's the commute to work, schools, community feel, maintenance demands, and the next home may solve these issues, then exploring your options now may be the right move. Also, as a reminder, I had a great lender partner tell me a few months ago as I was actually going through this purchasing a new home. He said, Tim, we don't buy rates, we buy homes. I shared the same wisdom with the homeowner. We don't buy rates, we buy homes. And he totally agreed. We need to remember what the goal is when you may be considering a sell or rent, then buy scenario, and make sure your why is clear and concise. If there's a clear why, then it's time to explore your options. So speaking of options, I just mentioned 2 recent stories, but here are a few other options you may want to consider. If you need to sell before you purchase the next home, you may want to consider a bridge loan. We work with a few lenders that have been helping clients make their move a reality by purchasing the next home with a bridge loan so that you don't have to sell your current home first. There's an expense for this scenario, but we'll be happy to connect you with a bridge loan expert. Staycation. We had some clients a few years ago that decided that they did not want to be rushed into purchasing the next home, so after selling their current home with a 60-day rent back, they then moved the family into an Airbnb. It hasn't happened often over the last couple of years, but we did have success in the height of the market last year to be able to have a client get their house under contract and exercise a home sale contingency addendum in the sales contract for the new home. What this means is that you place your home on the market, get it under contract, and then go shopping to put an offer on a home that you love, with the contingency that your current home must sell first. And then you have the proceeds from that sale to apply to the new home. Like I said, I haven't seen it work too much over the last few years, but if there is a house lingering in the market and it fits your needs, the seller of that property may be open to that contingency. As a homeowner, you have so many great options to leverage for your next home. Let's connect to see which one is best for you.